That's really good. Hey everybody, I just wanted to share with you, I've been taking this for a few weeks now, and let me tell you that this Now Keto collagen is amazing. I have 3 kids, a husband. I'm at home doing everything you can think of: the cleaning, the cooking, the errands, the shopping, the bill pay, whatever I have to do. And let me tell you that this has been a big part of my life, including my cardio. So what I do is I have this first thing in the morning. I have made it as a shake. Well, I should say smoothie. I've made it as a smoothie, and I've made it with just the regular drink with my water, my sparkling water. I've made it 2 ways. I've included some videos so you can take a look at that. But let me tell you that this is amazing. Amazing. Have you seen that video yet? Anyway, I want to do a giveaway for this product. Tell me what you think about that and if you're interested. But let me tell you that this has provided much energy. As you can see, I'm going blah, 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 blah. Energy, mental clarity, and it has helped keep me in ketosis. So that means weight loss. That's right, weight loss. So get you some of this. You gotta try it. It's amazing. Now, I have included in the description below 15% off promotion code. If you use it, you will provide Keto with Lee with support. So it'll support the Keto with Lee channel so that I can continue bringing you great content that'll help you on your ketogenic or low carb journey. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with your friends and your family, and I appreciate your support in every way. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, so I've decided to make a smoothie. So we're gonna use, I had these fresh, these are raspberries, so they were fresh, and then I froze them so they could be like ice, right? So I'm gonna use half a cup of that. I'm also gonna use unsweetened coconut milk. This is the one I like to use. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of that. That's half a cup. It might be enough. I'll do 1 cup. Okay, that works. And I am going to add some stevia to it, depends on how sweet you like it. And now I'm gonna use the Now Keto collagen. Gotta find the scoop. All right. So it's already filled. 1 scoop. Okay. Let me just keep it out. I don't like putting it back real quick. All right, so we got our fruit, our stevia, our coconut milk, and our Keto Now collagen. The Ninja 1500 watts professional. I love this thing. Let's make sure. Now, I said I wanted a smoothie. The fruit is in there and it's frozen, but I'm gonna add a couple cubes of ice. It's still a little watery for me. I want it like a smoothie. So, and this is just one recipe that I came up with. You can add, what I like to do is blueberry avocado smoothies. Those are awesome. Very healthy, nutritious. All right, everybody, here we go. Let's see how this is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, everybody. So here, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take my Now Keto collagen. This is the second way that I like to do it. So I'm gonna use my Ninja. I'm gonna use this flavor because I think lime and strawberry go very good together. So I need to hold my water. Get my Keto Now. One scoop. Now you can easily stir this, or you can put it in the blender. It is gonna bubble a little because it's sparkling water. I'm gonna blend it just one time. Sorry. Ooh, all the bubbles. And that's it. Now to drink it. Keto collagen, baby.